In this video, I'm going to show you how to go to next line in your messages in Slack. So if you are writing a text and you like to go ahead and go to the next line without sending the message accidentally, then it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So I want to write here a text, and now from here I want to go to the next line. Now the problem is if I press on enter, it will send this message. So to go to the next line, just go ahead and press on shift on Windows and then click on enter, and this will go ahead and jump to the next line. So if I want to make or skip 2 lines, I can just still use the same. While pressing down shift, just press on enter and it will create space between lines. If you want to delete, just go ahead and also press delete, and this will go ahead and remove the spaces between lines. From here, you can now proceed and write anything that you wish, and that is it. So that's how you can go to the next line in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.